Hey guys, it's Quilty from the Rustic Pet. How are we all going? Today's video is going to be me showing you how we split and brace one of these barrels when we turn them into a dog bed. So we used to turn them into half bars and all the other good stuff, but mainly now we turn them into our full-length wine barrel dog bed. So this video is going to be me showing you how we split a barrel in half and keep it from exploding. But the highlight of today will be Sean from Blade Mate Lawn Care. He's going to pop in. Him and his family on holidays up in Queensland, enjoying a bit of the beautiful sunshine, which you can see. So to repay him for the delicious pool that we did in New South Wales, I've got a delicious barrel. There's flies everywhere because this one is very pungent. It's been sitting out in the sun. I'm pretty sure it's got some remnants of red wine in it. We have, where I've been moving this around, there's been a bit of the remnants left on the concrete, which is a muddy looking red wine sludge. I've tried to clean up this top so it looks really presentable, but yeah, I'm going to have him help me open this barrel today, crack it, see what goodies we've got inside. It's also got some sort of rickety something else in here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to opening this up with you, and I can't wait to see Sean's face when we open this delicious wine barrel up, because it's yeah, it stinks. Anyway guys, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video of us cracking open a wine barrel. Oh shit. As you can see guys, old Sean from Blade Mate Lawn Care has made an appearance.
Hello. I'm in Queensland.
He's here. He's made it over our border. So I think I mentioned earlier on today we're going to split the barrel. It's a bit of a payback, a little bit of a stitch up for the old dirty pool. So yeah, we're going to pretty much brace it now so it doesn't explode when we open it, and then I'll pretty much explain to Sean what he's already doing. So we're just going to screw it, pin it, cut it, open it up. You're going to see what's inside, and hopefully my wife doesn't come down and yell at us for the smell. Alright.
I've been hearing about the smell ever since Quilty come help me with the pool. So
oh mate, she's
I'm excited.
mate, she's just something to behold, bro. Something to behold.
In the same spot right there.
Yeah. All good, mate. Alright, so I've taken Sean off the tools. He's breaking way too much fucking shit, and we're not getting to the good stuff, which is the smell.
Yeah, that's why I haven't done much Aussie Restorer content lately, because I'm not as good on the tools as Quilty. There's a speed and finesse that this man works with.
I think we've sold over 100 of these now, so
They're nice.
I'd hope that we got faster. I would hope.
Well, that's Australian taxpayer dollars at work. They're the one that taught him how to swing spanners.
Yeah, they taught me something. Alright, this... I'll do a demo again. Just an angle grinder. is where it's going to go bang. Alright? No bang. No bang.
Didn't go bang.
Because we got the big bang. We got that. Without that, as soon as I cut that, it would have gone boom and just opened up. All our pieces would have fallen out and we would have been very sad. You have to go in the fucking bush.
Still no bang.
Alright guys, that's it. That's all these bands cut. It looks like it's ready to go bang. I'm hoping that I've cut everything. So I'll release this and we'll see what happens. This is where most of the tension was taken up. Golly. Right, it's held together. That's good. That means most of our pins have done their job. Alright, if you want to come alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to stick each one of these, all the bands have held, each one of these screws have held the entire process and the piece together. So now what we're going to do is I've got a special tool, it's a damaged screwdriver and another screwdriver. And what we do is we work along each one and go, and just kind of
Just jimmy him a bit.
crack.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
And we just, all we did was turn it. That's all it was. A simple turn. Some will be ready to go straight away, and some will not. But we've cracked all the way along here, so you can see this is all opened up now. Like that.
So who taught you how to do this, Scott?
I learnt this by myself.
With a trial and error?
It was trial and error. I had a fully functioning wine barrel until I cracked it open, and then I had a Meccano set. That's all I had. I had pieces all over the floor. I couldn't put it back together, and I just thought, what a waste of money this is. I've just wrecked a wine barrel because I was trying to make something new, and it cost me a whole wine barrel at first. I was very annoyed. It was the first wine barrel I ever bought. It was the wine barrel fell into every one of these individual pieces, and I couldn't reuse it. I couldn't put it back together. I got a big old mouthful.
Yeah, I can smell it too.
Hot wine water then.
Rotten grapes.
Right, I'll just make sure I've cut this last little bit. I don't think I've got all the way through. I'll just safety. And we'll sing this bit real quick. Alright, I'll let you do the honours of this.
So how much wine do you reckon's in this thing, Scott?
Well, the smells of it too much, but I reckon there's a good maybe a litre. It sounds pretty swishy. This is an old I like it. It looks like it's been used. So there was something that used to be mounted on the side here. So I don't know what it was used for, but it definitely hasn't been cleaned. Whether that was another tap where they drained it, or I don't know.
Yeah.
So, but it's definitely got a very unique odour. It's just it's like it's like going into the Adelaide Hills district, you know.
Mate, I'm not going to be able to drive after standing here breathing this air for half an hour.
It's wet and I don't like it. Alright, well this is the fun part, so I'll get you to get on the other end of this, or whatever side, and we're going to lift it, and we're going to make sure that we don't make it fall apart. So we want to keep that bit of tension, we don't want to open it.
So where's it going?
Or wherever we can put it.
Okay.
Right, so what I'm going to do now, with the help of Sean, I'm going to quickly just tap around the edge here. Show you this, and just all it does is loosen this piece here from the wood and the joinery. It's very old, it's probably glued in over time. So all I've done is now quickly tap, that's it, little tappy tap tap, It's loose. That means I'm going to lift it off, place it on the floor. What is that?
Oh, yum. That's what's in your wine, ladies and gents. It's quite pungent.
What is this, like a seashell? As I said, there's a weird hole here that I don't know what it's been used for.
Smells like Sex Panther by Odeon.
Ah, it's fucking... It's like warm. It makes me feel bad. Very bad.
I like the smell. I like red wine.
Do you?
Yeah.
Like hot red...
I don't drink it often anymore. It's definitely something you wouldn't drink in this bloody Queensland temperature in the middle of summer, but...
Hot red wine with seashells, plants as a label, as a bottle cap, a clothes hanger, a toothpick. What is this?
There's no fingernails though, is there?
It's just it's red jelly. It's not even... Alright, bro. Thank you very much for opening up this terrible, terrible cesspit of a fish tank. It just is. I don't like the smell. I don't like red wine as it is, so...
I do. This is okay for me.
it's rewarding. But yeah, we've definitely found some weird and wonderful things in here. So this has previously been used as either a bin, or they've used it for like storing something here. I don't know. But yeah, as you're seeing, we've opened it up, and this will probably be turned into, or most likely be turned into, one of our rustic pet beds. So, alright, buddy. Thank you very much for popping in on your leave and giving us a hand with this. Alright guys, here's the delicious barrels. They've had a bit of time to sit in the sun and dry out. What I'm going to do now is use the big old gurney, or the pressure washer, and clean them up. So enjoy. Alrighty guys, so what I'm doing now will be tightening this up like so, splitting this in half, which is the top, placing it back in half each, and bracing the top, and it can be turned into one of our rustic bed and wine barrel bunk beds. This one here, what's going to happen is we're going to be painting it, staining it, and then it's going to be sent off to Brisbane, so exciting times. Alright, thanks guys. Alright guys, this is the fully braced wine barrel. So this is how I split them in half, brace them up, and then these are ready now to be turned into our full-length wine barrel dock beds. Big shout out to Sean for giving us the help and the hand while he was on his holidays to open up a dirty wine barrel with me, which was payback for that dirty pool. Alright, so yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. This one here is going to be turned into a full-length wine barrel dog bed now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.